Sometimes things don't go your way while trading. In this trade recap, I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do when things don't go your way. To set the scene, I was looking at MU for a opening range break and a strong move upward. MU was gapping up significantly, up $31, 14%. They had reported good earnings, and I thought they would be a good candidate for a long in this day. So what I was looking at here is initially the stock had pulled back, but then I saw this strong 1 minute candle, an engulfing candle, and I thought I could go long here. And what I was looking at was first this 1 minute engulfing. I saw a clear rejection at the VWAP. And then I also saw strong orders on the level 2 to the upside. So I thought this had good potential to go long and get up to around 261, 262, maybe even 263 or 264. So let's see how it goes. I get in right here, and almost immediately it comes against me, and I stop out, which is great. That's exactly what I was supposed to do. Again, it shows strikes. I get back in again, and this is fine. It happens, but then I stop out almost immediately again when it shows weakness. This happens. Sometimes you just accept these losses and move on. For me, I kept watching this stock because I had this bias that it was going to go up. And I get long again. And here I've set my stop just below the open of the day, which is not really a great place for a stop because that's not really a good tactical level. And at this point, I'm really tying for the stock to get up to 264. I see orders up there, and I think I can make it. But this isn't one of my playbook setups. I just got into this trade because I had a bias that this stock was going to be strong and move up significantly at the open. And it has made a pretty good move, but right now I'm really just trying to take back the money that I had lost before. So I'm not trading against the market, I'm trading against myself. And right now I'm just hoping that it gets up to 264. I see the orders there and I think it can make it. And you know what? It gets close, but now it starts falling back. And here I make a really good decision. I cut my losses and I say I'm putting my stock here at break even. I'll eat the commissions and I'm not going to lose any more money on it. So my stop is there, ready to get out as soon as I get back to my break even point, which is exactly what happens right there. So that was probably a good decision at the end, but really that was a poor decision, that third trade. The first two were reasonable. They're part of my playbook, but really I got caught up in my own bias, and that's a mistake that you just can't make as a trader. And everybody makes these mistakes, even experienced trainers. So knowing how to cut your losses and get out, come back to your senses, is an important part of trading. I hope you learned something. Make sure to like and subscribe.